Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, we will learn about logical operators in Java. What are logical operators in Java? Logical operators in Java are used to combine multiple arguments to evaluate their truth or falsity as a whole. There are three main logical operators in Java. The AND operator, which checks if multiple arguments are all true. It is written using two ampersand signs. The OR operator, which checks if at least one argument is true. It is written using two vertical bar signs. And finally, the NOT operator, which checks if an argument is false. It is written using one exclamation mark. Let's view some examples. Here we have a simple if statement. We are using the AND logical operator. It is written using two ampersand signs. It will check if all arguments are true. Since all two of our arguments here are true, the if statement is true. Thus, our print function will work. But even if one argument is false, the entire if statement is false. So our print function from the else statement will display false. The next operator we have is the OR logical operator. It is written using two vertical bar signs. This checks if at least one argument is true. If one argument is true and all other arguments are false, the entire statement as a whole will still be true. Since one of our arguments is true, the if statement is true, so our print function will display true on the console. The OR logical operator is only false when all arguments are false. The last operator in this video is the NOT operator. It is written using one exclamation mark. To check if something is false, write a set of parentheses. Finally, inside the parentheses, write your argument. This logical operator checks if an argument is false. Since x is not 20, the argument is false. But because the argument is false, the if statement is true. Thus, our print function will work. But on the other hand, if the initial argument is true, then it becomes false, causing our print function to display false on the console. The NOT operator just takes an argument and flips its Boolean value. If it's true, it's false. If it's false, it's true. But before we end the video, we must know that there is a better way of writing our NOT logical operators in this specific example. To see if a variable is not equal to a value, simply write your variable. Then, write an exclamation mark followed by an equal sign. And finally, write the value you want to compare. It doesn't have to be a number. It can be a string, Boolean, or anything. This is a shorter way of writing our code. But if you are dealing with complicated code, then the previous method might be needed. So yeah, these are the three main logical operators in Java. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.